Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you through our beautiful 2019 Mastercraft XT23. This boat has beautiful coconut brown with Corsair blue and white interior. It has the awesome brown Decadence removable flooring. This boat has some great features. It has the wonderful 7-inch interactive screen to choose through all your surfing and wakeboard and ski modes and radio, all that, all the controls. Tons of storage in this boat. Awesome flip up port side storage. Flip up storage here. Filler cushion. It's got the advanced audio, so you get the subwoofer and the 2 Plush tower speakers. It's got the built-in cooler to save room. Really cool feature on these Mastercrafts is the couch that is a rear-facing couch and goes into a sun pad and then flips into a couch like so. Got the cup holders there. It's got the Z2 folding tower with wake and surfboard racks. Full Bimini, and also has the surf sleeve Bimini. A removable ski tow bar for water skiing, good to tube from there also. And this boat comes with the teak flooring. This is a fantastic boat. It's a 2019 Mastercraft XT23. Come and check us out at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, or at MarineMax Greenville.